showing y'all around our houses and our towns. Let's get right to it. It's videoing. Okay, so AJ here. AJ! James, what's your team name?
My team name?
AJ, what's your team name? Don't tell them which house is yours though, because they have to guess, okay? Stop looking over there. What's your team name?
Super.
Superman?
No, it's only super.
Super? Team Super! What's your pose? Show me your pose, like a pose.
Like that.
Awesome pose! James, what's your team name? Stop playing with other Legos.
Team
okay?
Love.
Team Love? Okay, move that. Move. Okay, so first we're going to tour around.
Can I do a pose? Because I never got to do.
What's your team pose? Okay, first we're going to tour around this house. Now this house, I'm not telling you the names so you can guess them on the video. Here's a little chest, plate, with a doll, Scooby-Doo, a nice bed with a nice huge window, car that's really long, and a boat. Put it down. You're grabbing toys out of the chair. Next we have this nice pool with the jacuzzi man. And we also have this nice car, fancy with the face. It looks like a face. Is there a face? Is that a face? Is that supposed to be a face? You don't have to guess the car. It was made by Cole Navarre. Check out his channel and Wes's and my sister's. Stop, AJ. And hello there, Team Love. What are you doing? Did you mean to make a face?
No.
It's supposed to be guns?
No, it's supposed to be like.
Okay,
it was supposed to be a face.
We're past
wearing
that.
glasses.
We're past that. Here's this nice made house. I helped the person who made this. There's this bed, checkered bed, this robot, I think.
Yeah, that's
Not
my
that.
robot.
Now this is where the truth begins. So, how did you feel about your houses?
Good.
Now don't tell me whose is whose, but do you think you have the better house? Or you?
Me.
Which team do you think is going to win? Team
Me!
AJ? I mean Super or Team Love?
Super!
I think y'all should do your poses.
Team Love.
Stay there, I'm going to take a picture. Wait, no, AJ, you have to have a still thing. Do like what you did earlier.
Team Awesome!
And keep your hand up. Okay, I took a picture. Okay, let's go. Wait, what town are we off to?
Lego Town! Lego Town!
So something about my town, Lego Town, is that one place have her place. She has a house on top of a restaurant. Then you have, let's turn this. Then you have my house that kind of broke down a little bit. It's pretty 3 stories. I have a little robot here, a little robot there. I have. So, by the way, if you guessed this house is AJ, you are 100% correct. Because why would James put a Scooby-Doo in his house? You know, AJ likes Scooby-Doo, right?
Yeah.
James is too, but you know,
but I got 2 dogs.
See, this is James's awesome house with the cool light. Like, why would James be messing with AJ's house? AJ would have been yelling, right?
Right, like right now, like this.
Yes. Now, just vote who won out of them 2 or my town. Now, what's y'all's town name? Sleepy. Knock. Knock. Sit up. Okay, did y'all come up with a town name? Okay, y'all have to vote who team won for Team Awesome or Team Super. I mean, Team Love or Team Super. What is y'all's team name? I'll give y'all. No. Okay. Now I'm gonna give y'all a few seconds to think what your town name's gonna be. But wait, before you say anything, you have to let AJ help you. Town name.
Team Awesome Love. Team Awesome Love.
So it's a town of awesome with love. Okay. Well, my town. I thought of my town name, my team name, and it is Team Friends, because town friends. Team friends. Sounds awesome. You get it? Sounds awesome. Well, we're gonna conclude this video right here. Okay. What do we say for me? What do y'all gonna say? What do y'all say to me?
Bye, Maliyah.
No, y'all say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Give me a big hug.
Oh my goodness, I love you. Goodbye. We'll see you next time.